Howdy folks. This here's the old mountain man talking at you from the backside of this here lake in the hills of Arkansas. Oh boy. Well, I got my very first and probably last birthday present yesterday in the mail. No, wait a minute, it's the day before yesterday. And whenever I got it, I took a look and I said, well, got me another Zippo lighter. Well, it's not just any Zippo lighter. This has been customized a little bit, and it is from Mr. Jeff Turlington. Happy birthday, brother, and may your year be blessed. You'll always be my friend, Jeff Turlington. And he had it inscribed with my nickname, Mountain Man, and my last name, and then my picture. And I've taken a little piece of foil and I've covered up my last name, but I wanted to try to get this up there so y'all could see it. I gotta get that little note back out of the way. But yeah, it's a Zippo made in the USA, and I've just smudged and fingerprinted the picture. He had my picture made into the lighter. He took the thumbnail from the pan-fried copperhead video and put that on there. And oh boy, let me see here. There's got to be something I can just try to use my shirt and kind of smooth that off. And oh boy, try not to wrinkle that paper up there, but I have to at least try. Take a look at that. Take a look at that, Mountain Man. Got my picture on it, got my nickname in it. Yeah, and you know, right across there where that old foil is, that's my last name under there. You know, can't go advertising that all over the dang internet, you know. Boy, howdy. That has got to be the nicest birthday gift I've ever gotten. And the first and last birthday gifts that I've gotten in the last, I don't know, 40 years or so was from Stephanie K, you know, and was in a relationship this time of year. She did get me some nice birthday gifts, and, you know, God bless her for it. And, you know, Steph, I'm sorry things didn't work out between us, but, you know, it's the way things go sometimes. Anyway, this here's about Jeff and his gift to me. Buddy, I guarantee you, that lighter's gonna get used. I'll be right back. I got to go get some lighter fluid and some tobacco. Move, dog. Hello there, bear. I'll get you some chicken here in a little bit, buddy. I know what you want. Let's see here. Let me see here. Yeah, I went out to the old trailer and I found this old half-ass rusted can of Zippo lighter fluid. $4.50. I wonder what it costs now. But by golly gumbo, I won't sit by here. I'm gonna make me a smoke. I'm gonna light it up with that new Zippo. Yeah, buddy. And now I'm gonna put that can of tobacco in my pocket. Yeah, that paper there is kind of wrinkled. And these papers got glue on them. So I'm not really into smoking glue or gum or whatever you want to call that shit. Just don't like the idea of that shit being in my lungs, you know. It's bad enough smoking cigarette tobacco. Yeah, I had a woman tell me that I really needed to smoke a pipe. That was that since I got Native American blood in my heritage, that I was betraying my heritage every time I made a cigarette. I said, well, what the hell? How the hell do you see that? You know, some people got some really screwed up perspectives on things. I think that old girl's name was Darlene. Yeah, well, she ain't. Yeah, we just had a chat on Google Plus once or twice, and I figured, man, this woman is a Fruit Loop. So I'm gonna take that little piece of paper off of there, and I'm gonna pull this loose. Alrighty, I had to trim that thing. But no, hell, I got a multicultural heritage in my family. I mean, we are a multicultural, motley, you know, M-O-T-L-E-Y, motley, as in Motley Crue. There you go. First strike every time. That's a Zippo for you. There you go, Jeff, old buddy. Oh boy, that is something. I'm gonna shine that up. Yeah, buddy. Even if the picture fades, I still got my name and my nickname and my last name engraved in it. Even if that picture does fade over time or something. Yeah. Dang. See, it's cold air. We got a front moving in. It was sunshine and blue skies 20 minutes ago whenever I went out there in that old trailer fishing around, and God, that place is a mess. It's full of mold, all different color kind of mold that you can think of, and black mold tossed in. I come out of there and I could taste that mold in my mouth, and it's in my nose. Good God, it's so dang thick. But, you know, I got out of there and I, you know, coughed 2 or 3 times and felt better. But boy, howdy, ain't never nobody ever got me a gift that dang nice, personalized and all. Yeah, I'm a Zippo man. If I'm gonna have a liquid fluid lighter, it's gonna be a Zippo. You know. Let's see. Looks like Series E Zippo 1T or 17 E17 E Zippo 17 Bradford, PA, made in USA. Oh man. Yeah. There it is. First strike every time. Now I know what I'm going to do with all those flints, or those ferrocerium pieces that I, not flints, but ferrocerium pieces I got out of them dang big lighters all these years. You know, shoot, I probably got 100 of them or more saved up, and just wondering what I'm gonna do. Oh, come on now. I gotta shine it up again. There it is. I took some pictures of it, posted one on Google Plus, gonna post one on Facebook for friends only. Well, hell, it might as well be public, because my last name public on Facebook, no, somehow. Anyhow, you know, what the fuck. Oh, well, yeah, I went back to Facebook. Had to, I was losing business. You know, I was losing business. I was missing out on business opportunities. I'm glad I did. I sold a fire steel to a fire building kit to a woman. See, when people order from me, they don't just get a fire steel, they get a fire building kit. The free char cloth and all that tossed in. And Jeff, I'm sorry, I'm doing advertising on the thank you video and all, but buddy, I don't know. Somebody told me once, never miss an opportunity to make a sale. That was my old man, though. That was old Mountain Man Senior, or as he would call himself. This cold air is drawing my lungs up. I gotta get back in the house. Hello, little bear. Little bear wants some chicken. Cooked some chicken a while ago. Well, I'm gonna get off of here and get back in the house where this I can have me a cigarette without coughing my head off in this cold, cold wind. It's just getting colder and colder. Jeff, brother, I sure do appreciate that lighter. The most I expect to get from my family, you know, my blood family and all, is probably a text message saying happy birthday. Yeah, okay, thank you. But, you know, that's alright. Pretty handsome devil for 50 years old, I think. Yeah. Ain't many 50-year-olds look this youthful. Oh, I better shut the hell up before I start sounding like I'm in love with myself, like some kind of narcissist or something. But by golly, it just makes me feel good to be this old and having gone through as much as I have been and come out shining like a new dollar. Ain't that right, little boy? That's right, buddy. Well, for now, here's the old Mountain Man signing off from the backside of this here lake in the hills of Arkansas. Gonna enjoy my birthday and sit back, light me some cigarettes with my new lighter, and, you know, do them other useful things with a flame that we could use it for. Alright then. We'll talk with y'all later. Adios for now.